Have you ever come across the phrase the singing web? It sounds poetic and mysterious, doesn't it? Well, there are a couple of layers this can point to, some scientific, some more mystical and poetic. So let's dive into the fascinating world of webs that sing. First, we have to look at the literal spider web. Have you ever noticed how when a spider web is touched, it seems to vibrate and make a tiny sound? This is because the web, with its delicate silk threads, acts like a musical instrument. Each thread is a different note, and when something brushes against them, vibrations travel along the silk. These vibrations then travel up the spider's leg hairs into its body, where it interprets these different frequencies, much like we interpret different frequencies as different notes of a song. So spiders can use these vibrations to tell if what's touching their web is prey, a potential mate, or even a threat. Isn't that incredible? Some researchers have even developed software that translates these web vibrations into music. They've discovered that webs can produce an eerie, beautiful song. This song changes depending on where the vibrations occur on the web and how strong they are. It's like the web itself is playing a song, and the spiders are the ones who can hear it. But the idea of a web singing doesn't end with spiders. It takes us to the very fabric of the universe. In astrophysics, we have the cosmic web. This is a vast structure formed by galaxies and the invisible matter called dark matter. The universe is full of these enormous voids, and the galaxies within them seem to be linked together in a giant web. But it's not just galaxies. Dark matter, which doesn't interact with light, forms a kind of skeleton around which galaxies grow. This cosmic web stretches across the universe, and scientists believe that it was formed in the early days of the Big Bang. What is really mind-blowing is that some researchers suggest that the energy in this web resonates at certain frequencies, creating a cosmic song. This cosmic web is so big that we can't hear this song in the way we hear music. We can only detect the frequencies through the effects they have on the galaxies. Yet the idea of a cosmic web that sings is a powerful one. It suggests that the universe itself is a vast, resonating structure, and we are just here, listening to its song. Now, let's spin our web a little further into the realms of mysticism and spiritual thought. In Hinduism and Buddhism, there's a concept called Indra's net. Imagine a spider web stretched out across the cosmos. At each point where the web's threads intersect, there's a jewel. Now picture this. Every single jewel reflects all the other jewels in the web. In this vast cosmos,